How to assemble your Series 2 height adjustable table. Remove the work surface from its box and make sure the black side is facing up. You may have to flip it over with the help of another person. Remove the foam shipping material. You should be able to see a series of very small pre-drilled holes in the table. The metal inserts are for Series 1 tables. You will not use those. Open the long, narrow box containing the separate components of your height adjustable table. Parts are packed in 2 layers, the top layer and the bottom layer. Refer to the printed installation guide for more details. A parts list can be found in the instruction guide supplied with the table. You'll need the included 4mm Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. These are all the parts you should find in the box. Lay the frame assembly on the work surface and center it. For the 48-inch tables, you can remove the center rails. Gather up the hardware bags, making sure all the hardware is in there. Slide the side bracket into the channels of the frame ends. Position the leg column as shown. Using 6 of the M6x10 machine screws, insert the bolts through the frame end and screw them into the leg column. Repeat these steps with the other leg column. There are 6 black rubber grommets on the frame assembly that need to be lined up with these 1/16-inch diameter holes. Line up the bracket holes with the small pre-drilled holes in the table. At this point, your 2 leg columns should be attached to the frame assembly and the grommeted holes should be lined up with the 16th-inch diameter pre-drilled holes in the table. Now we're going to screw the frame assembly to the table surface. There are 3 spots on each end that need to be screwed down. Use 3 of these M5x20 wood screws. Install the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver or a power drill. Do the same on the other end. Lay the foot on top of the leg column. Use 4 M6x14 machine screws to attach the foot to the column. Unscrew the levelers and remove the blue plastic protective covering. Then screw the leveler back into place. You can install the keypad on either the right or left hand side of the work surface. Remove the protective clear plastic covering from the handset keypad. Flip the keypad over and line it up with the front edge of the work surface. Screw down the keypad. The keypad slots will only line up with one of the pre-drilled holes. It's important to note that if you assembled the table as instructed, you're going to have some screws left over. Now it's time to hook up the control box. Insert the yellow ends into the control box as shown. Unwrap the keypad cable. Plug the cable into the control box. Use these cable clips to secure the cable neatly on the bottom of the table. Wrap the tie around the cable and remove the paper from the adhesive backing and press firmly into place. You can put another cable clip closer to the control box. Put as many or as few cable clips down as you like. The levelers on the feet allow you to level the table after you flip it over. Plug the control box in. Make sure the control box works before flipping the table over right side up. This is a heavy-duty table. Have someone help you flip this table over onto its legs and check the control box again. Your BodyBilt Series 2 height adjustable table is ready to use. Add a BodyBilt monitor arm and a BodyBilt chair, and you have a complete ergonomic workstation. BodyBilt chairs are manufactured by Ergogenesis Workplace Solutions, LLC, exclusively at our plant in Navasota, Texas. 800-364-5299. www.bodybilt.com